This is the 10th fight of the evening. Amarul Shafiq versus Haris Sofyan. Kick striking bout 67 kilogram division, fighting 3 rounds of 3 minutes.
Halo, nama saya Haris Sofyan, asal Camp Golden Dragon, Jakarta. Di Beyond 7 ini ketemu Amaru karena kan saya tahu dia di ranking 1 kan. Makanya saya greget banget pengen ketemu Amaru untuk memperebutkan ranking 1. Saya selalu mencari KO itu dari awal round. Tapi kalau nggak dapat di round pertama ya round kedua. Tetap saya kejar terus. Untuk Amarul, mari kita bertanding brutal di atas ring Beyond 7 nanti. Kita buktikan siapa di kelas kita yang terbaik. Yang pasti saya akan datang di Beyond 7, saya akan tanam kamu di rumahmu sendiri.
Mungkin dia ada surprise untuk Amarul di Beyond 7 nanti. Perlu diingat, Amarul pun ada surprise Amarul untuk dia. Sebenarnya Amarul dream to be one of the best fighter di rules kick striking UCC, dan insyaAllah Amarul ingin menjadi champion. Dan insyaAllah kalau ada rezeki lagi, mungkin Amarul nak jadi double champ. InsyaAllah jika diberi kesempatan, Amarul akan cari a way dan cari moment untuk knockout Abang Haris Sofyan. Abang Haris Sofyan kata abang nak tanam saya di tanah saya sendiri. Make sure syangkul tu lepas dengan custom. Kalau tak, nanti abang tak boleh nak lawan saya. InsyaAllah kita jumpa di ring Beyond nanti malam ini.
Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, representing Indonesia, Haris the King Sofyan.
Make way! The king has arrived! Haris Sofyan! Langkah sang raja, the throne is mine. Mahkota di kepala, watch me shine. Tundukkan wajahmu saat ku tiba di atas arena, akulah penguasa. No challenges left, we take the crown. Haris in the building, shutting it down. Membawa nama Indonesia, standing so tall. Kalian semua saksi, I conquer it all. Bow down, to the king.
The king has arrived. Haris Sofyan datang dengan jubah kerajaan untuk menunjukkan bahwa dialah raja di kelas 67 kg.
Is he truly the king? This is his proving ground. Up against such a lethal fighter, a dangerous threat to his title, especially considering this is enemy territory. He's fighting all the way in Malaysia against the whole favorite, Amarul.
Menyatakan dirinya sebagai raja di teritori lawan. Such a bold statement dari Haris the King Sofyan.
A lot of pressure on his shoulders for sure. Can he rise to the occasion? Can he beat the younger fighter? Can he prove that he deserves that number 1? Can he prove that he deserves to be in the Grand Prix? He deserves to fight for a title.
Banyak sekali pertaruhan di pertandingan 3 terakhir Beyond 7 Putra versus Ronald 2 ini.
And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, representing Malaysia, Amarul Kiatakun Shafiq.
Yeah. It's one of the ones. Let go.
You doubt it, I would make it, keep that energy. Try to do it how I do it, can't compare to me. Yeah, I'm on a different level, different pedigree. Remember how you chose them instead of me? Huh? Look at me now. God being had his hand on me. Try to put me in the box like my name
Datang
Ali.
dengan
I know
ekspresi
you had
yang
to watch me become a
berbeda
wrestler.
dengan ekspresi yang biasanya tampilkan.
There
Dia
we go.
terlihat fokus. Akhirnya senyum itu kembali.
You can only keep Amarul away from his true self for a bit. You can only contain that smile, that happiness to compete, and that's really what's special about this kid. He's not just here to compete, he loves the game. He's in it for the love of the game.
At the end of the day, semua orang tahu bahwa Amarul anak baik, namun justru mentalitasnya yang membuat Amarul tampil berbahaya. Amarul bilang, jika dibuat perumpamaan ini adalah ibarat Haris Sofyan sebagai maling datang ke rumahnya mencoba take something from him. Tale of the tape dari kedua fighter seperti yang Mirko singgung di awal sebelumnya. Amarul masih sangat muda, 24 tahun dengan ratusan laga profesional lintas bela diri. Namun di sisi lain, Haris Sofyan di usia 32 tahun masih mampu membawa rekor undefeated 2-0 kick striking ke pertandingan ini.
He's got the reach as well, man. That height advantage is ridiculous. A whole 15 centimeters.
15 sentimeter.
I think that's the biggest one. That's the biggest discrepancy we've seen today.
Introducing section UCC Kick Striking Division, Supervisor Abel Mamesa, and with the bearing, the referee in charge, Aryo Bayu. Judge A, Erwin Chandra, Judge B, Ella Tang, and Judge C, Jill Focali. And now, introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. Standing 171 centimeters, weighing 67 kilograms. Holding a professional kick striking record of 2 wins and no losses. With 2 of those wins coming by way of knockout. Bronze medalist of SEA Games 2019. Silver medalist of SEA Games 2023. And tonight, he stands at the very top. Ranked number 1 in the Beyond Kick Striking Welterweight Division. Representing Indonesia, Haris the King Sofyan. And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. Standing 186 centimeters, weighing 67 kilograms. Holding professional kick striking record of 2 wins and no loss. With 1 of those wins coming by way of knockout. WKN Malaysia champion, 2 times Malaysia kickboxing champion, IFMA World Grand Slam Muay Thai champion. And he is 6-time Malaysia Muay Thai champion. And tonight, he stands right behind the throne, number 2 in the rank of Beyond Kick Striking Welterweight Division. Representing Malaysia, Amarul Kiatakun Shafiq. And now everybody in Malaysia, Indonesia, and all around the world, are you Ready! This is Beyond Combat!
Fighter and coach, this fight is sanctioned by UCC with kick striking rules. No mistakes, follow the rules and fight with honor. Okay, understand? Okay, coach, thank you. Back to corner, touch glove, let's strike!
Perbedaan tinggi yang signifikan langsung terlihat
Yup.
dari saat kedua fighter toss glove. Penonton sekalian, Malaysia, Indonesia, ingat ronde pertama adalah ronde di mana Haris biasa menyelesaikan pertandingan. Jadi jangan berkedip satu kali pun dalam ronde pertama ini.
Timekeeper,
Haris Sofian,
corner clean,
Amarul
corner
Syafiq,
clean.
penentuan
Fighter, are
raja
you ready?
sesungguhnya
Are you
pas
ready?
67 kg.
Strike!
Langsung dibuka dengan agresif oleh Haris Sofian.
Stop!
Cobaan elbow tadi. Amarul. Keras. Sangat berlangsung di sini. Haris Sofian mengincar KO.
Stop! Break! Strike!
Benar-benar tidak boleh berkedip di pertandingan ini.
If you went out for snacks, if you went out for a toilet break, come back real quick. There's so much action. Haris Sofian.
Kombinasi hook,
Strike!
pancingan feinting yang membuat Amarul menembakkan tendangan. Lagi-lagi hook, sedikit off balance tadi Haris di sana.
Break!
A natural opponent for shorter fighters was what we saw in the fighter information earlier, but Haris Sofian is closing the gap quite well.
Strike!
Tugas berat tentunya untuk wasit yang membawa pertandingan ini untuk memisahkan dua fighter Titan kelas 67 kg. Dua raksasa bertanding 2 menit tersisa.
Break!
Kembali percobaan knee dari Amarul. Spinning back fist masih jauh dari sasaran.
Half the time has elapsed in the first round, and it is certainly the most action-packed first round of the night.
Knee tadi keras.
Those knees created an opportunity for Amarul to knock out an Indonesian legend just in the previous Beyond Showbiz series.
Dan Haris Sofian juga harus berhati-hati karena dalam pertandingan terakhirnya pun melawan Serial Effendi, Serial Effendi terlihat mendominasi ronde pertama. Namun di ronde kedua Serial terlihat mulai kehabisan bensin dan disitulah knee dari Amarul berhasil masuk yang menghadiahkannya KO head kick di ronde kedua.
And those knees are coming in from Amarul already. He's building up those body shots.
Come on, fight,
1 menit
fight,
tersisa.
strike!
Apakah ini pertama kalinya Haris Sofian merasakan ronde kedua di Beyond Combat?
I think there's a big possibility of that happening here. 30 seconds on the clock for the first round. Super action packed.
Haris Sofian tetap ngotot dengan percobaan spinning back fist ya. 3 kali ya tembakan, 3 kali juga belum mendarat.
Oh man.
Careful!
Every shot Haris throws is at 100%, it seems, you know. He's really going in.
4 kali, masih meleset. Haris Sofian harus berhati-hati menembakkan spinning back fist ini. Jangan sampai ini menjadi senjata makan tuan baginya.
Yeah. Amarul's finding that range.
Masih meleset dari Amarul.
Stop!
Dan itu tadi, ronde pertama Amarul versus Haris Sofian. Amarul langsung tersenyum di sini karena menurut dia yang perlu ia lakukan, his mission is just surviving the first round, and he just do that.
He did that with such poise, such composure as well. He didn't let Haris Sofian's early aggression get to him. Yes, these are some big shots that he had to take, but he knows that he can take the shot. He knows that he's got a very good chin, that experience. Again, this kid's 24, but he's had so many fights, so many bouts in different disciplines across different promotions as well. So coming into this, he knew exactly what type of fighter Haris Sofian is, and Haris Sofian came into this with a good read of Amarul as well. That's why he was able to close that 15-centimeter gap so well.
Ronde pertama adalah ronde di mana fighter masih press, power masih 100%, dan tentu saja ini menjadi confidence boost bagi Amarul yang sudah merasakan 100% power dari Haris Sofyan. Pertanyaan yang selalu ada bagi fighter-fighter yang selalu menyelesaikan pertandingan cepat adalah apakah dia mampu menjaga agresivitasnya selama 3 ronde penuh. 3. Wasit memenangkan Haris atas agresivitas dan kebrutalannya di ronde pertama. Namun, apakah Haris mampu terus menjaga agresivitasnya di ronde-ronde selanjutnya?
It's not a sprint, it's
Jab
a
strike
marathon.
dari Haris. Push kick. Keras tadi body kick dari Angga. Kembali di
No wrestling please.
One
head kick. Haris saja.
Watch.
Really trying to build frustration against Amarul. The judges see it 30-27 round 1. In signature Haris Sofyan mode, I guess. He still is able to secure round 1 for himself.
Listen, no wrestling please. Fight.
Jab, coba
Front kick.
Haris
Stop.
untuk
That was a blow after.
Stop.
The referee's command to stop.
lalu percobaan push kick. Haris saja. Flying ini dicoba. Dan Haris mampu mengantisipasinya. Teguran dari wasit. Spinning back fist lagi masuk. Tembakan keras tadi dari Amarul Syafiq. Haris Sofyan nampaknya harus berhenti mencoba spinning back fist tersebut karena
It's Amarul who wants to close the distance instantly. He wants to keep this pressure going. He feels like he's hurt Haris.
Okay, listen. Sekali lagi. Wrestling
One
please.
more warning. Referee's been given the warning. You need to stop when I
Sekali
say
lagi,
stop.
Stop.
Again, those jabs from the shoulder fighter.
overhead dari Haris. Balas knee.
Awas. One more. Stop.
Wasit menegur fighter karena terus mencoba melakukan clinch. Ini dia taburan keras
Haris.
untuk kedua fighter yang terus
Oke.
terutama Haris yang terus
Oke.
melakukan clinching.
No clinch and kick striking. You just got to strike it out.
Ada juga balasan dari Haris Sofyan.
Sorry, I think this is the most damage I've seen Amarul take in a fight.
Percobaan flying knee lagi berbahaya. Amarul tidak ambil. Momen ini elbow tadi.
Oh man, what a fight we have in our hands.
Spinning back fist mau dicoba.
No wrestling please. No
Haris
wrestling
still in those
please.
hands. Amarul trying to close the gap. He's trying to go and get close.
Kembali. Haris. Wrestling please. -1. Wrestling
The
please.
last warning was certainly the last
Minus one.
warning. A
Wrestling
point
please.
deduction in round
-1.
2.
Wrestling please. -1. Wrestling please. Okay, no wrestling please.
Tegas sekali wasit dari UCC kita memberikan peringatan berulang kali kepada Haris yang terus melakukan clinching. Dan akhirnya wasit harus turun tangan memberikan teguran keras berupa pengurangan poin yang tentunya bisa merubah total hasil dari pertandingan ini.
I know I mentioned a possible judgment round, but I didn't expect it in the way that we're seeing it now. It's still an action-packed fight. It's amazing, but that -1, that point deduction, again, could change the ties. Round number 1, 30-27 for Haris Sofyan. Round number 2, with that point deduction, I'm really curious to see where the points stand. Did the judges see it in favor of Haris? Is it now a draw in round number 2?
Betul sekali, karena kedua fighter memiliki momennya masing-masing. Kita lihat di sini ketika Haris kehilangan keseimbangan, Amarul mencoba flying knee, namun Haris Sofyan berhasil dengan cepat mengamankan posisinya dengan clinch.
Incredible fight. If you guys are watching free on YouTube, come over, buy the pay-per-view. This third round, I have a feeling we're gonna get something big this third round.
Final round, ronde ketiga pertama bagi Haris Sofyan. Kita masih belum menyaksikan live scoring dari juri yang bertugas yang tentunya kesulitan dengan pengurangan 1 poin tadi.
What's the decision? for that second round. Live scoring. Oh, there you go. There you go.
29-27. Harusnya menjadi ronde 29-28 di mana satu juri masih memenangkan Amarul. Namun pengurangan poin tersebut penyesuaian apa yang akan dilakukan Haris di ronde terakhir ini.
We saw a brutal end to a majority draw. Will we see another?
Fighter keras melakukan tendangan.
Awas, pressing clinch.
This certainly is a top 2 battle. Ben Sardo.
Betul sekali. Benar-benar ranking 1 melawan ranking 2. Untuk menentukan overhead keras tadi.
Amarul's got a chin. Made a steal. He didn't react. He walked forward after getting hit.
Dan itu kemarin dia tunjukkan di Beyond 6 ketika melawan sang legenda serial Effendi.
Uh-oh. Restarting the bout again. Leg kick check. Haris looking to, oh, what a counter.
Headlock pencantik dari Haris tadi.
Jangan menyerah.
So,
Body kick dari Amarul.
a whipping strike from Amarul.
Dua kali sekali lagi.
That's a shockwaves
Dua kali
throughout.
kamu bilang seperti itu.
World Trade Center here in Kuala Lumpur.
Kali ini signatur dari Amarul. Peringatan dari Lasan tidak boleh melakukan ini sambil menarik lawan. Itu adalah rules dari UCC.
It's a very strict refereeing, strict officiating. I like it though. Forces the fighters to just stand there and strike.
Kembali hook keras dari Haris Sofyan. Namun masih bisa ditelan oleh Amarul.
Oh man, the clinch.
Lagi-lagi
Action!
wasit yang bertugas di sini terus aktif memastikan pertandingan terus berjalan. Tidak pasif dengan clinch.
Awas, wrestling clinch, awas. Mengurangi lagi nanti.
Itu dia keywords dari clinch yang mereka berdua lakukan. Resting clinch. Dalam UCC tidak boleh melakukan resting clinch. Kembali spinning back fist. Kali ini mendarat di tubuh dari Amarul.
Mundur.
And again the clinch into the break. Body kick, a knee. Oh, they're just striking. They're standing and striking. Head kick.
Ini dia.
That is a stern warning. We've already seen a point of action.
Untung saja Haris Sofyan masih disiplin dengan tangannya di atas.
That could have been a real bad moment for Amarul had that landed. 25 seconds.
30 detik tersisa.
Oh.
Amarul terlihat mulai kelelahan. Apakah Haris bisa memanfaatkan momentum ini? Leg kick.
Head kick.
10 detik tersisa.
Will they stand and bang? Last 10 seconds.
Close kick dari Haris di sini. Overhead. Goyang seperti Amarul. Lagi. Dan itu tadi laga brutal kelas 67 kg. Penentuan siapakah raja sesungguhnya antara Haris The King Sofyan melawan Amarul Giatahun Syafiq. Luar biasa.
Sardo, they both came in looking the best they've had in their career. They're looking sharp and they showed in the technique, in the aggression, in the way they kick strike today. It was phenomenal. It was
Mirko.
fantastic.
Dengan poin deduction tadi, apakah akan terjadi dengan match sebelumnya
man.
yang mengalami poin deduction? Sekali lagi, everybody want to see a fight.
Yeah, they do.
Kalau diberikan satu lagi ronde gratis di laga brutal kelas 67 kg, Haris Sofyan lawan Amarul, siapa yang nolak?
That's true. I mean, we did see a brutal end to that judgment round. It was a judgment round KO by Aman Koboy just earlier against Kakasam. I think there's going to be a similar result here. If not a KO, we're going to see some big shots again. We saw some big shots here. The body kick there. It was parried a bit, but it still landed. You know, that ricochet effect over the hand. I'm just curious to see the decision. I'm just curious to hear the decision. We see 2 judgment rounds in a day. Record-breaking.
Haris Sofyan mengenakan jubah rajanya, apakah ia benar-benar bisa disematkan menjadi raja di malam ini?
Has Haris done enough? Has Amaro done enough with that point deduction that he got over Haris? Question marks everywhere. Comes down to the official decision.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, UCC Kick Striking Commission already decided. After 3 rounds of intense kick striking bout, and the decision is a split decision. Judge A, 27-29. Judge B, 29-27. Judge C, 29-27. By the winner, on the rank order, Amaru Kiatakon Shafiq. Haris Sofyan. Malam ini is a very close fight. Bagaimana perasaannya?
Perasaannya bahagia karena sudah bertanding selama 3 round. Ternyata Amaru lebih kuat, dia bisa bertahan dan bisa mengalahkan saya dengan poin. Terima kasih buat masyarakat Malaysia dan Indonesia. Saya juga minta maaf saya belum bisa menang di pertandingan ini. Next fight saya akan berjuang lagi dan target saya selalu saya akan terus mengincar Amarul sampai di pertemuan berikutnya. Terima kasih Pak Selos sudah memberi saya kesempatan di sini dan terima kasih juga untuk sponsor saya yang sudah mendukung dan mensupport saya di pertandingan ini maupun di persiapan saya. Terutama untuk sponsor saya minta maaf belum bisa menang di malam ini. Terima kasih juga buat Expo, Dewa Pictures, dan Gitek Solution, dan Kem yang sudah mempersiapkan saya selama fight ini. Bali MMA, terima kasih. Dan terima kasih juga untuk tim Golden Dragon dan juga keluarga yang sudah menonton, yang sudah datang langsung di Malaysia. Terima kasih untuk dukungannya. Mungkin malam ini belum rezeki. Next saya akan berusaha lagi sampai target untuk lolos di Grand Prix. Terima kasih semuanya, terima kasih. Dan untuk manajemen saya, Saka Talent, terima kasih banyak.
Luar biasa. We look forward to see the king back in the ring in the future. Make some noise for Haris the King Sofyan. And now, where are you, Amaru? Oh, right here. Ladies and gentlemen, berikan dong teriakan terbaik buat Amaru. Man, you did it again. 3 win streak in ring, 4 win streak in ring beyond. Gimana perasaannya?
Assalamualaikum Malaysia, malam ni kita punya. Woo! Alhamdulillah. First of all, I want to say thank you to Pak Presiden Selos, Pak Selos. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. And I want to say thank you to my coach, to my father, to my family, and my other big family, Uncle King, BS family, Abang Wandi, us family, Mr. Han, Dr. Spice, and I have someone in my mind that I want to call out. Okay, there's two persons actually. Number one, I want to call out the person who always beat me. Arashadat, come over here. Untuk pengetahuan semua, ini merupakan adik Amarul dan juga senior Amarul dalam martial arts. Okay. Arash, this win, I want to dedicate this for you. And inshallah, if one day, I know that you'll make a great impact. And I hope that one day, Beyond will give you the opportunity, just like your brother. He's much more powerful than me, stronger than me. And I believe that he will bring good impact for your company. And another one, I want to call out Abang JK Sarage.
Oh.
Izin untuk berkongsi pengalaman bersama Amarul.
Ladies and gentlemen, JK Sarage!
Siapa yang mau lihat Amarul versus JK Sarage for Asian Kick Striking title belt? I think this is a very good idea. Bang JK, world level, UFC level, and then kita akan bertemu salah satu atlet terbaik yang ada di Beyond Kick Striking peringkat 1 sekarang. Jadi, should we face off them? Should we face off them? Let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the official face-off for the next bout in Beyond Combat. Amarul Kiatakung Shafiq has called out JK Sarage for the Battle of the Year.
Ada yang mau dibicarakan?
Ya, terima kasih untuk Bro Celos. Sebenarnya pertandingan ini udah berapa jauh ya, berapa lama Bro Celos untuk saya comeback lagi. Bro Celos pengen saya comeback di Beyond. Dan saya pernah didukung Bro Celos juga waktu bertanding di Las Vegas. Dan untuk Amarul, kau keren bro, keren. Udah 2 petarung Indonesia kau tumbangkan ya. Ya, saya respect sama kau. Kita buktikan di atas ring gak ada yang jago, gak ada yang kuat, tapi yang bertahan itulah sang juara. Saya tunggu kau di Indonesia. Kita saudara bro. Di atas ring tidak ada nama saudara. Tapi di luar ring kita saudara. Kita akan buat sejarah baru di Indonesia dan Malaysia. Lebih tinggi persaudaraan dari pertandingan. Kita main sport bebas. Thank you Bro Celos telah mengasih panggung sama saya.
Terima kasih. Tepuk tangan sekali lagi buat JK Sarage dan juga Amarul.